guys, welcome back to Cooking in the House with Brendo. Tonight, we're going to be doing some awesome pork loin. We're going to be using the reverse sear technique. So that means we're going to cook the meat almost all the way through and then sear it to seal all the juices in at the end. Normally, people sear the meat in the beginning, but if you cook it all the way through first, then you have a much more even cook. All right, you guys, so we're gonna add the meat to our barbecue that's set to around 350 degrees. We're gonna let these pork tenderloins cook until they're about 10 to 15 degrees from their desired internal temperature, and then we're gonna start the sear. See you guys later. Hey guys, welcome back. Our pork is almost ready. It's cooked to its internal temp and we started to sear it. Let's take a look. Doesn't that look so good? Yum! Take a look at those good-looking pork loins. Yum! Doesn't that look good? This pork loin can be served with many different things. Tonight, we're serving our pork loin with mac and cheese and zucchini. See you guys next time.